Navigate to Catalog, Categories, and change the store view on the top of the page, if needed. Choose the required category from the category tree. Expand the Products in Category tab, and then click the Tiles icon to display the product tiles on a grid. To manually change the sort order, choose the needed option from the Sort Order drop-down and click on the Sort button. You can change the position of products with the drag-and-drop tool. For automatic sorting, choose the Yes option in the Match Products by Rule field and then choose the needed variant from the Automatic Sorting drop-down. Moreover, you can add conditions to the category. Click on the Add Condition button and choose the needed attribute for your rule. When you are ready, save the category. Then clean the cache. Then go to your store frontend and check the result.